afternoon everyone. Today we will start a new chapter of science, chapter number 6, reproduction in animal. Before moving towards this topic, first we have to understand the term reproduction. This reproduction is comprised of two words, re and production. This re means again and this production means formation. Or we can say that synthesis. Clear? So, this term collectively known as reproduction, it means reproduction is a process of production of new organism from pre-existing living organism. This pre-existing means the organism which is present on earth. Clear? And why I am using this term living organism? Why not non-living organism? Because this living organism has only tendency to reproduce, or it has a capacity to produce its new organism, and this reproduction is the process, or we can say that it is the essential process for the formation of new living organism. Okay, after understanding the term reproduction, now we move towards the type of reproduction. First of all, I would like to dictate one more thing before giving the types of reproduction. This is type of organism. Okay. Before moving towards the type of reproduction, first you have to understand the type of organism. Type of organism. This will really help you to understand the term sexual and asexual. Why it has happened in some of the organism, why not in other organism. Okay. Type of organism, mostly organisms are of two types on the basis of their chromosome numbers. One is haploid organisms, another one is your diploid organism. Clear? Haploid organisms are those organisms which have a single pair of chromosomes are present. Look, we know that all organisms, or we can say that all human beings have 46 chromosomes. This 46 chromosome is actually a 23 pair. Clear? Each chromosome has one number. It is these 23 chromosome has pair, is present in pair, each has their copy. Okay. If only organism which has only a single pair, it means from this pair the organism which has only this 23 number chromosomes, then this type of organisms are called haploid. It means they have single set of chromosome. Clear? Because generally chromosomes are present in two set. If it is present in single set, so these type of organisms are called haploid organisms. And if organisms which have complete two sets of chromosomes are known as diploid organism. Now, what are the example of haploid organism and a diploid organism? Haploid organisms are all your lower organism. We can say that your microorganism which are also a haploid organism, or we can say that your amoeba, paramecium, bacteria all are included in this group which we call haploid. Clear? Now, what are the example of diploid organism? All your higher organism which have higher grade of organizations of cell are called diploid organism. Clear? One is the best example is your human beings. We all are diploid organism. It means we all have 46 chromosome. It means we have 23 pairs of chromosomes are present. Each chromosome have their set. Okay. Now, after understanding this point of haploid and diploid, now there are two type of cells also there. Clear? Types of cells. Clear? So type of cells, like one is your somatic cells and another one is your sexual cells, or we can say that reproductive cells. Why we divide cells into two categories? Because somatic cells are always undergo type of division in which there is no reduction of chromosome take place. In your higher classes, you are going to understand the term different type of cell division, in which there is one is a mitotic division, another one is your meiotic division. In mitotic division, there is a complete progression of cell chromosome from one generation to another generation. It means there is no reduction take place. But in meiotic division, there is a reduction of chromosome take place. So, this somatic cell is always undergo a type of division in which their complete set move from one cell to another cell, or we can say that from parent cell to offspring cell. Okay, and this sexual and reproductive cells are undergo a type of meiotic division in which reduction take place. Why there is a difference between these type of cells and their divisions? Because this somatic cell is responsible for the growth and development of organism. All your development and your growth is basically depend on somatic cells. When these somatic cells develop or they repeat, they divide, they produce or they leads to growth and development of organism. And this cell is only responsible for the reproduction, or we can say that it is the only cell which form your gametes. Now what is gamete? These are the cells which undergo reproduction or fertilization to form a new organism. Okay, we will discuss it later. Okay, so we have to stop here for types of cells. Now, after understanding this topic, we move towards the type of reproduction. So there are two types of reproductions are there. You have earlier studied in your chapters like we can say that class 7, you have already learned type of reproduction. So one is your asexual reproduction, another one is your sexual reproduction. Clear? What happens in asexual reproduction? This term asexual means single sex. What does it mean? Single sex? It means only a single parent undergo reproduction to form offspring. Either it may be a mother cell or mother organism, or another one is your parent organism. Only a single parent have capacity or ability to produce a new offspring. Clear? And in sexual reproduction, both the parents are needed. There is a need of both the sexes. It's male or a female. Both are necessary for the sexual reproduction. Okay? Clear? In this asexual reproduction, we say that only a single sex is involved or single parent is involved. It means there is no formation of gametes take place. Clear? There is no formation of gamete takes place. If there is no formation of gamete take place, there is no need of fertilization. So, fertilization does not take place. Now, before moving forward, first we have to understand the fertilization. Fertilization is the process of fusion of male and a female gametes. We have already understand gametes are the cell which have a set of chromosome of equal, like we can say that it has a, if it is a female gamete, it has a like gametes, it has a chromosome from a female partner, and if it is a male gamete, it has a chromosome from the male partner. Clear? If these male and a female gametes come together and fuse together, so this process of fusion of male and a female gamete is known as fertilization. Okay. Now, after this, we move towards the sexual reproduction. We said that in sexual reproduction, we need two parents. Both parents, like a female and a male, both are required for the sexual reproduction. If both the sexes are there, it means there is a gamete formation take place. Okay. Your reproductive cells, or we can say that your sex cells are undergo division to form your gametes. Clear? If there is a gamete formation take place, it means there is a fertilization. If fertilization is there, it means there is a formation of zygote take place. What is zygote? Zygote is an ant cell which is formed after the fertilization of male and a female gamete. After zygote formation, this zygote is your new one, or we can say that it is the offspring which is formed after the sexual reproduction.